Well, Bigelow, we're going to try to explain to you the extension. The extension classes, you all have at least 4 numbered extension classes. But in reality, you're only seeing 2 sections. And this is the way it works. You got to look at the last number. So for example, if you look on my Monday schedule for my first extension, it's 1493. So my last number there is 3. That corresponds to one of my sections. And in my case, it happens to correspond to section 1. So let's go over to, for week 1, let's go over to Thursday. Actually, Thursday, let's go to Friday.
Aspen? You mean Aspen?
On the schedule.
On the Aspen, or yours?
On my schedule, on my colorful schedule.
Oh,
on Friday. All right, so this time my extension is 1484. So my last number there is 4. And that corresponds to another section. Let's go to
week 2.
So I have another number, 3673. Let's go to week 3. And let's go to Monday on the extension. So I have 3673. Different number than 1493, but it ends in 3. Both 1493 and 3673 are actually the same section. You got to focus in on the very last number. And what you're going to have to do is to simply look at your 4 class lists for your main sections if you're a teen teacher, and you can figure out which section it corresponds to. So I have another number, 3654. Let's go to week 2 on Tuesday. And on Tuesday, this time I have 3654. It ends in 4. The 3654, when I look at that number 4 and I go through my class list, I find that corresponds to section 2. Let's go to 1484. Let's go back to week 3, Tuesday. And on Tuesday, week 3, it's 1484. Again, ends in 4. So I know it's section 2. So the key to this is, even though the 4 numbers are different, you focus in on only the last number. And when you look at that last number, you go through your team classes to find out what section it corresponds to. I hope that made sense. So even though there's 4 entirely different numbers, you're in reality only seeing 2 different sections. Okay, Jay.
Good. So in order for you to find the roster, the correct roster for your team extension, you log on to your Aspen, and when you're at the home page, you get to go to Monday, that 16th. So you go to next and next until you see Monday. And then Monday's schedule, or Mary's schedule, is 1493. And you get 1493 right here. And you click under the box of the file, you see rosters. And this roster has your hybrid learning. So you make a group A with all the A kids. You make a group B for B kids. The same for other classes. Remember to go back and go to home page. And you want to find another section. So looking on this Mary's schedule, on a Thursday, she's teaching 3673. So I had to find Thursday. Next Thursday will be $19th. And I'm going to see, where's that 73? Right here. Find my roster for that one. And then she has 13 kids, and you figure out this will be your Google group you need to make. You can make an A and B, and then when you have remote, you invite both A and B. Mary, you did a good job. You think what else we should tell people? I think
I
this
don't
is
know. For me, what I did was I literally went through each week and I put down on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday when
you want to share the screen how you did it on the pencil paper?
I just used pen. Wrote that. Big deal. Wrote that. Woo.
It works. Whatever works.
It does work, and it was nice and simple, and it was quick and easy, and it allows me to see the breakdown of how these separate out between the A cohort, the B cohort, or even on Wednesday.
And if people already made a group with their sections, they can really go into that section and say, oh, gee, this section is my 1473 group. And I can use that one and copy into another group. Okay, thank you so much. I think we can stop this thing.
I hope we didn't.
We are in the same boat. It's okay to make mistake. We'll survive.